Me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me.
Y'all, so let's get into this hair that I got from HerGivenHair. So the company HerGivenHair reached out to me and wanted to send me some extensions, these clip-ins, curly kinky clip-ins, for me to utilize in my hair and to give a nice review. Now, first off, I want to say that these clip-ins were really, really nice, and I had actually no problems with these clip-ins whatsoever. I did pre-color them to match my hair texture, my hair color at the bottom, and that color at the top is what they came as. They gave me 2 sets of each length, as you can see, as I just showed you guys. And yeah, now this is where the actual problem came into play. So when I was picking out my clip-ins on the website, I was looking at the pictures and I thought that this texture of hair would match my texture of hair. So surprise, it doesn't. It doesn't at all. Like, look at my hair texture and then look at the clip-ins. So the color was there, like I colored it really good and matched my hair color, but the texture was not giving whatsoever. But me being me, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just try to make this work. We're gonna try to style anyway and just see what comes from it. So I started off by braiding my hair down real cute. It's like, I'm lying, it's not even cute, it's not even neat, honestly, but it don't matter because these braids don't have to be neat at all. I usually add about like 4 to 6 braids in the back, and I like to intertwine my braids, as you can see. So when I finish braiding, all the braids in that back section is all going to end up in one braid, and I'm going to take that one little braid, as you can see, and I'm going to just braid it down, and then I'm going to stuff it right in there somewhere with the rest of those braids. Cute, quick, and easy. Then I went in with the clip-ins. One thing I do love about these clip-ins is that they had so many clips in it. So it's like once you put them in your hair, it feels super secure. Like you don't feel like they're going to slip out at any point. Like they're definitely super secure. You can style them however you want. You don't got to worry about them falling or getting loose. None of that crazy stuff. None of that crazy stuff. So these are really good quality clip-ins. The hair was really good quality. It didn't tangle. It didn't shed. And it was super full. Like this was me with 2 of them in. And it's like really, really full. This is when I put about 4 or 5 in the back, and then I just try to like brush it out a little bit so it can like match my hair texture a little bit. But yeah, y'all see how that's going. Then I try to take some of my Big Papa gel that I had bought, because that was like my favorite defining gel at the time, and just try to use that on my natural hair and try to get it to like kind of get like that juicy look that I be going for most of the time, to see if it'll blend better with the hair itself. I really gave it a try, but as you guys can see, it's not giving what it was supposed to. It's not giving it all. Nonetheless, we still prevail and we still keep going. I did get a little bit of curl definition, but nothing like what I had going on with my extensions. So it still wasn't the best blend, but I'm not going to give up. Like, what did they say? Never give up, never... What is it? Never, I don't know. They say something saying, but pretty much is what I'm trying to say is I'm not giving up. We're going to keep trying, and we're going to see if this works, if we could finesse some way. Because one thing I'm not going to do is waste some perfectly good bundles that that I was sent for free and not utilize them. So boom, boom, boom. I try to gel at the front, right? I'm trying to slick it down real cute, get it nice and slick and juicy looking so it can like match the texture of the hair. Because the hair texture, if you don't notice, it has like a lot of sheen to it. My hair has like less sheen to it. So I was just trying so hard, y'all. So this is my first time actually doing this on my natural hair too. So I try to braid it down. A braid looks like trash in itself, but we not gonna worry about that. And then I tried to wrap the tracks around the braid. That kind of didn't really work out the way I thought it was going to, because my hair not really long enough in the braid itself anyways. So I ended up just throwing it in a bun. This is how I look in a bun with the hair out. And child, the hair itself looks so cute. And I wish, oh my God, I wish that my texture would match, because it would have came out so cute. But this is the finished results.